Now I've seen it all. A cat sitting on a crocodile's back like it owns the place.
I had to laugh at this moment. Look at the dog trembling with fear of the cat. It was so funny.
Looks like someone got a little too close to the ostriches at the zoo. Hope you can run fast, buddy. Well, I guess those playful cows just wanted to see if the grass was really greener on the other side of the fence. The view of the seal playing with the cat was so cute.
This guy's pet is the real king of destruction. You don't want to mess with this four-legged warrior. Bullfighting, chicken fighting, pig fighting are old times, and the trend is now that the upper class like me has to watch hippo fighting.
Now I'm wondering why pandas are rare animals because of their sitting posture. It's unique and cute.
Hi.
The dog looks so cute in that shape. It's like a gift. The natural way to put it is that she's as beautiful as a flower. Someone tell the bird just in case it forgets it can fly. Wait up, if Mom's there, the one holding the monkey's hand. It looks like you could use this cat as a pillow. Hello, everyone. Hey kids, don't imitate him. It's still better to chew your food regularly. The dangerous encounter between the leopard and the group of people. Fortunately, no accident occurred.
There are always many paths in life, and successful people always have their own paths. Even this cow can find his own path, and my path is so dark. When watching the movie, the strategists always have a way to hit, and unfortunately, my dogs learned how to hit that to take away the pizza. Looks like this girl found a dance partner in the most unexpected place, a dolphin. As you can see, this crow is incredibly smart. Watch carefully because you might see strange scenes like this.
Our cat jumped into the water to be with us, so never throw them into the pool. Experience the thrill of sitting in the tube slide with giant alligators circling around you. This dog, upon returning home, turned to bite each other with the neighbor's dog.
Discover the top 10 ways to defy gravity without leaving Earth's atmosphere, and experience the thrill of weightlessness like an astronaut. And now, let's behold some cuteness.
If you don't know, goats have an impressive climbing skill, even on a vertical wall.